You know, I love diners. And the one thing that makes them my favorite is that there are so many choices. You can get everything from fill-you-up breakfast to comforting dinners and even homemade desserts. But you want to know what my favorite diner food is? It's hot off the griddle home fries, like the ones we're making today. Here, we have about 2 pounds of red potatoes that we cut into 1-inch chunks. We put those in a bowl and add a couple of large onions that we chopped. To give this authentic diner flavor, we toss this with some paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Now, just like they do at a diner, we cook these in a large cast iron skillet or on a griddle with a bit of vegetable oil. I like to cover them at first since the water in the potatoes creates steam, which makes them nice and tender. Then to finish them off, we'll uncover them and turn up the heat. This is when they get nice and crispy. And whether you serve these for breakfast with all the fixings or as a side dish with meatloaf, you can't go wrong. And if you have any leftovers, you can easily heat them up the next day. Actually, they might even taste better. To get the recipe for our sizzling home fries, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dinerlicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. They're good, aren't they?